Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 310 different strategies, with 99 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 205 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,015 indicators, with 424 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, profit boost, make money scalping with the buy sell indicator. And so, of course, we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, right off, it isn't a single indicator. I say this often, but it does mention just, or implies a single indicator in the title of the source video. But it's definitely using more than one indicator. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators here on screen. And the first indicator we will add is going to be the breakout finder, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And jump into the settings of this one. Under the period, you're going to change that to 3. And the max breakout length, you're going to change that to 30. And click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the ribbon colored bars, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we're going to jump into the settings of this one. And under the fast length, you want that to be 100. The slow length, you want that to be 200. Click show ribbon right here. And everything else stays on the default. And so what we're looking for a long trade, so we are looking for when the MA ribbon cloud, this right here, or the MA ribbon, I guess you could call it, when it is green, we are looking for blue triangles like this right here. These are going to be our buy signals. And so, but when we get a blue triangle like this here, we also want the candle right here to be green. And so, you can see right here that both of those line up. We have a green MA cloud right here, or ribbon, and then we have the blue arrow buy signal here with a green candle. That's going to be our signal to enter into a long. We're going to put our trade right there, put our stop just right below this pivot, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you see pretty much make a spike straight up, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, so we are looking for the moving average ribbon, the MA ribbon or cloud, to be red like it is here. And then we are looking for a red triangle or a sell signal here from the breakout finder, and at the same time we want the candle to be a red candle like this here. When all those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop right above this pivot, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we make a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. Has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades, putting it at a 46% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,800 for an overall gain of $3,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy, especially for the 5-minute time frame. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 57 trades altogether. We had 45 winning trades and 12 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $27,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $14,400 for an overall gain of $12,600. So definitely better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below for only $19. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. We keep track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 7 trades altogether. We had 6 winning trades, 1 losing trade, putting it at an 85% win rate. Would have been a gain of $2,740. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade and it was a losing trade. It's going to put us at a drawdown of $860. For the week, we would have been up $1,880. And for the 34-week total, we would have been up $46,490 over 268 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. Really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.